All right, here's a worded question where you've got to use interest to figure out, um, I guess, linear function in order to figure out this question. So you have 15,000 account that pays 12%, simple interest. How much additional money must be invested in an account that pays 15% so that the average returns on the two investment amounts to 13%? So I guess what I would do is say you've got a certain amount at, you've got a certain amount at 15,000 plus, and that's at 12%. And then you've got another amount which you don't know that's at 15%. And when you add those together, what you're wanting to get is a total sum where the interest is 13%. So where you don't know how much that is, we put an X there. So I would go, and it's simple interest. Well, let's assume it's 1 year. And so I'll have 15,000 times 12% times 1 year. So if you multiply that, I think that gives you 1,800. Plus, this, we don't know how much extra money there is. And so we're going to we'll just use X for that. So X times 0.15 times 1. So that'll be 0.15x is equal to, on this side, it's the sum of the two amounts. So it'll be 15,000 plus x times 0.13 times 1. Okay, so if I multiply this through, 0.13 times that I think is 1950. This times this would be plus 0.13x. The times 1, that won't affect things. Okay, so then let's maybe gather our x's on the left side. Minus 0.13x is equal to 1950 minus 1800. So I'll get 0.02x is equal to 150. And when I divide that, I think that comes out to $7,500. So you need to add $7,500 in order for the average interest rate, or you need to invest $7,500 in order for the average interest rate to come out to 13%. I'd pick that one. Hopefully that helps.